Hey guys, it's Jasmyn
and Janaia.
And today we're going to be making some Halloween slime, as you can see. Oops. So we don't really do that much for Halloween, but I know our fans love to do stuff for Halloween, so we're going to be making some Halloween slime. We have some googly eyes, colorful googly eyes, some green, black, purple, black, and I raised the black beads, some glitter, and some pom-poms. So let's get started. First, we're gonna add in some Elmer School glue. Oh, there's balloons! Oh. And we decided just to keep it like white slime because we're gonna be adding lots of stuff in it.
Yeah, glitter sometimes makes color for me.
Okay, what glitter are you gonna use?
There's 2 reds, 1 green, and 2
silvers.
So I'm gonna get some green and some red.
Okay. I'm gonna just get some silver.
Wait, what? I don't think silver is green color. Oh, come on, get out this.
Because silver is close to black, so
yeah, true.
Even better, silver is close to gray. And don't forget to watch the Onyx Family's new video that we were in. Okay.
I'm gonna add 1 more red for all the glitter.
I'm just gonna keep some silver left.
I'm gonna keep some red so I didn't open the whole top because I wanna fill up the whole white glue. Just extra. Okay,
now it's time to mix it up.
And as you can see, I got my pumpkin from the pumpkin patch.
Okay.
Mine looks
Yours
like
looks
Christmas.
like Christmas. Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Opposite of Halloween.
Now we're gonna be choosing the beads. I'm
doing purple. I'm doing black and white.
Black. Just choose one.
Black. Wait, is that black? Yeah. There's some black in this, so I'm just gonna use the little black and the big black.
Okay.
Because those are the only blacks.
I'm gonna be using the black, gray, and white. Okay, so Janaia got her beads open. I'm on my last tape. And I finally just now got it open. But instead of using black, gray, and white, I'm just going to be using black and gray since the glitter looks black.
What I'm going to use is, since there's no black and it's dark purple, it's close to black anyway. So
back.
Black. So I'm just going to put them in.
Nice looks more Christmassy than Halloween.
Yeah.
That's why in my head when I was thinking red and green, I was
really thinking just green.
Yeah, because green is more Halloween. Well, just red or just green would be Halloween. But both of them would be like Christmas.
Yeah. I'm just going to keep on doing this with off because it's taking way too short. No, pink, don't get my thing. No! Okay.
It's enough.
I got enough beads out. Oh, I got a good slime.
Now to mix it in.
Yes, mix it. Mine just Christmas.
Now for the googly eyes.
Yeah. Do you want the colorful or just the black? We bought 2 blacks because I don't think you would be needing to use the colorful googly eyes. Oh, should I get the big ones? Yeah.
This is gonna be one good fill-in slime.
And one
Now
crunchy slime.
Pom-poms.
Yeah, I'm only gonna add one pom-pom because you know how pom-poms are in slime. Yeah, and oh yeah, we're going to be adding the finished product inside of these pumpkins, so it looks
And
like
the
it's just
inside
blowing it up.
glows.
Yeah, glows. Glow, glow. Okay, it's kind of nervous right now.
Now for the pom-poms, I'm going to be adding green because green is like Halloween. She said she's only using one pom-pom. Well, green and purple.
Same, because purple looks like black.
And because Frankenstein,
Oh yeah.
green and purple.
Okay, these are all I'm gonna add in. So, are those?
And orange. So I'm just
Yeah.
pumpkins, you know.
Yeah. Pumpkins, gotta represent the pumpkin.
Okay,
Can't
we got
add it.
our pom-poms in. Now to mix it.
Oh. Ours is gonna be one soft slime and crunchy and nice feeling.
Hey, we should call this crazy random slime.
Yeah. It's random.
This is how it looks like.
This is how it looks like.
I wonder if this is even gonna activate. Hey, do you guys think this is gonna activate? Comment down below, but I guess we'll see.
We
With our
added
clear tie.
way too much stuff.
Let's
we
see.
did too much on
We're gonna
the
start off
stuff.
with a little bit of Tide. Okay. It's coming together, actually. So if you commented down, yes, it will become slime, you were right.
Yeah, but even though you commented, some people
Everyone's
that commented
winners.
no, yeah, everybody's winners. Mine is turning into slime. See, it's coming off the sides. We just add some more Tide.
Yeah, I need some more Tide too.
It's pretty hard to mix because of all the stuff that's in this.
I feel like just going in with my hands, but I always go in too early. But who cares? I'm gonna go in anyway.
I like getting my hands dirty, so
Same.
just a little bit more won't hurt.
Okay, I'm in right now, and this slime feels pretty mushy right now, but once it's all kneaded, I bet it will be the best filling, most random Halloween slime ever.
Yeah, now I'm in with my hands. This is one crazy filling slime.
All comes together. Because of all this stuff, it's a little bit hard to stretch, but it still stretches.
Mine looks more like Christmas than Halloween does.
But I wonder if this slime can make a bubble with all these Halloween stuff in it.
Hey, Jasmyn, stuck in this. Super stretchy.
Okay, I'm making a little monster out of my slime.
Yeah, same. Let me just take some googly eyes for the eyeballs. They have to be big. So, yeah. Here's another big one.
And here's my little blobby monster. Comment down below whose monster looks
Will
the best. Will look the best. And the
If
most
my pom-pom
Halloween.
could come out.
I'm kidding.
No, because
Who looks the best?
this is my finished product, my finished monster.
I kind of messed my monster up.
mine is still a good monster.
I still wonder if this thing can make a bubble. Let's see. Looks like Naya
So close.
might time to put it in our pumpkins.
As you can see, it's lighting up. Really? If I could just make it. I'm gonna add little pieces at a time because I think it's way too fast.
The pumpkin's about to eat my monster.
Yes, it is.
Poor monster.
Oh. Now, last piece of my slime. Here you go. It's gonna look like it's throwing up now once I close it. Just watch it throw up.
Okay, here's our slimes in the pumpkin. And Janaia, I'm gonna play a little game with you. I'm gonna mix up our slimes and you have to guess which one it is, so don't look. I'm gonna say, is it mine or yours? And you have to try to guess. Okay, which one is yours?
That one.
Let's see, guys. Is she right?
Yeah!
She's right.
So now we're in the bathroom and now we're gonna see if it really glows.
Hold up, let me just screw
Hold up, let me just clap and it will turn off. It glows, peoples! It glows!
Voila.
There's a
evil
floating
monster.
pumpkin. There's a floating pumpkin
Yes.
coming towards you.
It is
Ah!
Look at this. Now I'm gonna set it down on the sink so you guys can see it. Do you see the slime? Thank you for watching this video on our Halloween random slime. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you get a notification every time we post a new video. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye!